Square bills, flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red. Wind chimes, front porch, good dogs, wood floors, work boots, open doors, and miles of John Deere green freedom.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Tuesday, October 8th. It's actually my birthday. It's day 2 of chopping corn silage. We're over here at my Uncle John's farm. We got about 2 fields left. I didn't get any footage from the first night because, well, conditions are very subpar, I guess you'd say, and I'm a little short on help, and I didn't really have much time, but I'm going to try to do my best today and hopefully some of the next few days here while it's forecast is dry till Thursday and Friday, so we're hoping to get a bunch done then. So if you guys wouldn't mind taking a moment to hit that thumbs up down there and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the future videos that I put out here.
Travis County. Yep, go ahead. Hey, do you want Troy and or Jerry O for 4 or 5 hours? Give some of your people a break and rest out.
Okay guys, it's midnight here, October 8th. We just started our second 12 by 500 foot bag. Probably keep going for a couple more hours here tonight yet since the weather's nice and everything's going right.
Coverage of high school sports in the Quavy Radio family all season long. Presented by Myers Mechanical of Lancaster and built by Northwood Buildings. See the schedule at AM 1590
Hurry up and wait. That's been the story of my whole life. It's a good thing I like waiting though.
I'm gonna say hi. I will.
Alright guys, so we're out behind my dad's farm right now opening up some fields. We just blow it over the top into the cart since we don't want to run over the cocktail here on our left. It's a lot faster than hooking up wagons and unhooking those every load.
Hey, Grandpa Joe, where should
Okay guys, it's Thursday, October 10th. We're out in some cornfield that we just chopped. My dad's out running the finisher over there and I'm drilling in some rye. Okay guys, it's Friday night about 6 o'clock. I think we're on bag number 4. Not 100% sure yet anymore, but I think we got 1, 2, 3 farms left, and corn's a little dry obviously. We're out here in some contours. We just put it in contours this spring, so it's kind of interesting getting all these tractors around. Not everyone knows where they're going yet. Half the time I don't even know where I'm going yet either, so that's what we got going on here. Currently we're running 4 carts and 3 wagons, I guess, so there's 7 of us hauling. Alright guys, so it's Saturday, October 11th today. We're just finishing up at Kenny Fleege's farm. We're on the last strip. This corn was planted, I think it was July or late June. I'm not even sure, but that's why it's so short and so green. We were lucky to get this corn in.